Welcome back to How to Make a Pioneer. How to make better popcorn than the ones that come in the microwave.
Yeah, literally, it's true.
Literally, it's true.
And you get to see us packaging it for the campers.
Yes. No, not for campers.
And for some random people.
For the U.S. government.
Wait, what?
Yeah, this goes to the U.S. government. No, it doesn't. April Fools.
It's not April, bro. It's literally April.
Okay, anyway. So right now, our batch is popping. The two main ingredients are corn oil and kernels.
And Timmy. And Timmy, yeah.
Timmy has nothing to do with this.
I mean, and we use Timmy's legend, the legend of Timmy, to put in the popcorn to make it extra good.
What? Okay, anyway. Okay, I don't understand what that was for. Very soon you'll hear. Oh!
R.I.P.
Oh!
R.I.P. popcorn bag.
Okay, I need you to do the things that you're
Oh. While the corn is popping, we give you the packaging progress.
Wow!
Whoa! Once our popcorn is finished and seasoned, here, let me make sure.
You're just eating it.
After that, we put it in the bag. For every camper, we need like 60 bags.
Or 60. No.
Today we're doing 70.
Yeah, and it's kind of cringe.
That's a lot of bags.
Actually.
Oh, by the way, you have some Solgar on your chin.
What?
On your cheek. On your cheek. On your cheek. On your other cheek. On your other cheek. There you go. Ainsley helped you.
Ow. It's still on.
Oh wait, the popcorn's going.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, get the camera out of our faces.
It's crazy that just one cup of kernels resulted in this much popcorn.
Yeah, you're right.
I feel like the kernels can carry like 5 pieces of popcorn per kernel. Because there's no way it would be this much. What?
I'm done. Running out of popcorn.
What is this? What? Well, that's going in the trash.
Please read it.
What is this? Hold up. That's one fine, $200. You have been fined for unauthorized filming of the magnificent popcorn. Okay, we're done here. Jeffrey, are you farting?
No. That's way too full.
Yeah, that's a bit too full.
Yeah, that's way too full. Look at that Solgar right there on that scoop. Can I have it?
No. You can't lick it. Ew.
Done. Imagine
Yeah,
when we're all 40 and we're just like looking at these photos.
Oh!
I got it.
Issa!
I didn't do anything.
You're our bad luck charm.
Lemon's like 10 minutes ago.
You're a good luck charm.
There we go. Ethan, imagine when you're 40 and you're looking back on these photos.
I'll cry.
You mean videos? Oh, that's cute.
I'll cry because Issa was in this one.
Oh, that's so I. I'll cry because Ainsley was in this one. Excuse me. Okay, last bag and then we're going to have to pull. Oh, you're excused. Good smell. Hey, cheese. I almost got that in my
Making popcorn is the best thing ever.
Now I swear, if you spill any more, I'm gonna crash out.
Stick around for the end of the video to see Ainsley crash out.
I swear, you need to stop spilling popcorn. Just let me do it.
Stick it.
Spilling popcorn. What do you mean? What's that then?
Uh-oh, crash it out.
Please. What do you mean you're not spilling popcorn?
You know.
Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, Exhibit 3, Exhibit 4. Do you see this? You're seeing this, right?
Thanks for watching How to Make It Pioneer, how to make popcorn better than the stuff in the
How to make
microwave.
Ainsley crash out.
Yes, how to make Ainsley crash out. See you guys next time. Wait, Ainsley, he dropped a few kernels.
Swear to God, Jeffrey.